How to fix Steam Error Code E84. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix Steam Error Code E84. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Steam application and just right click on it and click on its properties, and once you're inside here, just head over to the shortcut section, and under this shortcut section just select target and just start by giving a space over here and just type in the exact word I will be typing over here. So first just type in hashtag or hyphen login and space as no react login. And once you do that, just make sure you have given enough spaces over here, and once you type in exactly the same, it's like this based on your directory, click on apply, click on OK, and try restarting your Steam application, and it should work correctly. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.